Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your DasherDirect statements. Open the app by tapping on it. Now, log in with your email and password. If you have Touch ID, use it to proceed. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on More. On this screen, you will see an option for Statements. Tap on Statements. Now, tap on the drop-down arrow beside the year of the statement you wish to view. Then the list of monthly statements will appear. Tap on the statement you wish to view. That's how you view your DasherDirect statements. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.